Hey guys, so today we're gonna make Marry Me Chicken. It's been trending on TikTok, I see, and I figured I'd bring it here onto YouTube and show you all my version of it. So let's just jump right on into the video. So first we have about almost 2 pounds of chicken tenders here. You can do this with bigger chicken breasts, but I found this was the best price at my grocery store, while also probably being the easiest to fry up and cook. And we also have about 1 cup to 1.25 cups of flour here. To our flour, we have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of Tony's Creole seasoning, as well as some salt and pepper to taste. Again, season according to what you like. This is just like a basic seasoning. The Tony's Creole, I believe, has like paprika and some chili powder in it and stuff. So I just cover all my bases by adding that seasoning in. Now you're gonna begin dipping the chicken. Also, there is some tendons left in this chicken and I just removed them. You could just use a fork, like stick it in and pull it, and it will separate from the chicken breast. So now once all your chicken is coated nicely in the flour, you're gonna go ahead and heat up a pan. Make sure this is an oven safe pan. You're gonna go ahead and throw in some olive oil, and I got about 1/2 stick of butter. So now you're gonna start adding your chicken in the pan. Now you're not looking to fully cook this chicken, you're just looking to give it a nice brown because it's gonna continue cooking in the oven. Now once you start to get a nice golden brown on these pieces of chicken, you're gonna flip them. Should take maybe about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Go ahead and set your chicken aside on a separate plate and go in with the same pan. You're gonna go ahead and add about 2 teaspoons of garlic. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic, get that going on the pan real nice. Make sure the heat is pretty low. You're gonna get all that goodness up from the chicken that's at the bottom of the pan. Then you're gonna go ahead and add in 1 cup of chicken broth or chicken stock. And then you're gonna go ahead and add in some heavy whipping cream. So I'm gonna start off with about 1/2 cup of that. Here you're gonna go ahead and add in about 1/2 block of cream cheese. At this point, I'm going to add in about 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And I'm doing that at this point because I find the red pepper flakes cook better and you won't get as many like hard pieces in your sauce when you're done. I'm going to go ahead and add some fresh basil from my garden. I have about 3 leaves here. We're going to add in some pepper and some salt. A sprinkle of thyme. Now we're going to go ahead and add in about 1/4 cup of some mozzarella cheese. This is actually a mixed mozzarella cheese. It has provolone, mozzarella, Romano, and Parmesan in it. And I almost forgot to add some oregano. So you're going to add about 1/2 teaspoonful of oregano as well. I'm gonna go ahead and add in a can of drained tomatoes. Now, normally I would use fresh, but I did not have that on hand, so I'm just using a can of diced tomatoes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken into the pan. So it should look like that. You may want to use a bigger pan than I did, but this will work. Go ahead and put that in your oven at 350 for about 30 to 40 minutes. So I'm just serving this over some angel hair pasta. And then you're just going to go ahead and spoon some of that yummy sauce all over it. And a sprinkle of some extra Parmesan cheese and just some extra basil for garnish. And that is my Marry Me chicken.